దేశ ఆర్థిక వృద్ధి ఇకపై పైకే వెళ్తుందని రిజర్వ్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా పేర్కొంది. దేశంలో కరోనా వ్యాక్సినేషన్ మొదలు కావడంతో మళ్లీ ఆర్థిక రంగం పునరుత్తేజం అవుతుందని ఆశాభావం వ్యక్తం చేసింది. ముఖ్యంగా అంతర్జాతీయ మార్కెట్లో భారత ఫార్మా పరిశ్రమకు మరింత లబ్ధి చేకూరుతుందని ప్రకటించింది. కేంద్ర బడ్జెట్ తర్వాత ద్రవ్య విధాన కమిటీ సమావేశంలో నిర్ణయించిన ద్రవ్య విధానాలపై పలు కీలక ప్రకటనలు చేశారు ఆర్బీఐ గవర్నర్ శక్తికాంత దాస్. రెపో రేట్లతో వరుసగా మూడోసారి ఎలాంటి మార్పులు చేయలేదు. రెపో రేటును 4%, రివర్స్ రెపో రేటును 3.35% వద్దే స్థిరంగా ఉంచుతున్నట్లు వెల్లడించారు.
Global spillovers and consequent volatility while ensuring comfortable domestic liquidity conditions. A two-phase normalization of the cash reserve ratio CRR, which I am going to announce, needs to be seen in this context. Systemic liquidity would, however, continue to remain comfortable over the ensuing year. In fact, the CRR normalization opens up space for a variety of market operations to inject additional liquidity. The underlying theme of our endeavor in these areas would be to flexibly use all instruments in our arsenal appropriately without jeopardizing financial stability, which is at the core of RBI's policy objectives. Gross market borrowing of the center for 21-22 is budgeted at rupees 12 lakh crore. As the government's debt manager and banker, the Reserve Bank will ensure the orderly completion of the market borrowing program in a non-disruptive manner. In this context, we look forward to continuance of the common understanding and cooperative approach between market players and the RBI during 21-22 also. I would now like to proceed to make some additional I would like to now announce certain additional measures, and many of them are actually very critical and have wider impact on the financial sector. So I would request your patience. The first set of measures relate to liquidity. The first measure is TLTRO on-tap scheme, inclusion of NBFCs in the scheme. With a view to support revival of activity in specific stressed sectors, the RBI had announced the TLTRO on-tap scheme for banks on October 9th, 2020. Given that NBFCs are well-recognized conduits in reaching out to the last mile in various sectors, it is now proposed to provide funds from banks under the TLTRO on-tap scheme to NBFCs for incremental lending to specified stressed sectors. The next announcement relates to restoration of CRR in two phases beginning March 21. To tide over the disruption caused by COVID-19, the cash reserve ratio of all banks was reduced by 100 basis points to 3% for a period of 1 year ending 26th March 21. On a review of monetary and liquidity conditions, it has been decided